It was an absolute joy for Crosley Law Firm to represent Kathryn. Almost 2 years before she came to us, she'd been involved in a pretty bad traffic intersection collision. Her knee was so bad she ended up having to have a total knee replacement surgery.
The defense of the case relied primarily on Kathryn's age, and the defense wanted to use her age against her and say that the injuries she sustained in this crash wasn't because of the crash. It was that the underlying preexisting degenerative conditions existed.
We were able to rather quickly perform a complete investigation and get the lawsuit on file and aggressively pursue it with taking depositions and meeting with doctors and developing all the evidence we needed. The entire case was wrapped up with a $190,000 settlement. As a result, she was very happy and gave me and Jared Morton nice thank you cards and gifts at the end of the case. She was such a sweet lady, and it was our privilege to be able to help her in this case.